it is here. So let's do this, guys. This is the Umidigi. Look at this box, it's not opening. Umidigi Power. I'm not sure what was the exact model, so let's find out. Look at the box. Ooh. Looks cool. So that's Umidigi Power 3 with 6150 milliamperes battery. Nice. The box looks cool, apart from being a bit damaged and dirty. But apart from that, it looks cool. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay, so what do we have here? Umidigi Power 3. We have MTK Helio P64 quartz for Cortex A73 CPU unit, Android 10, RAM 4GB, ROM 64GB, 2 nano SIM card slots and 1 TF card, the massive battery already mentioned, 6.5 inches Full HD Plus display, that's quite big, powerful camera, and loads of network options. That's all awesome. But again, we need to put it to test to find out if it's really that awesome. Let's get the knife. Last time we reviewed Umi device, let's put it this way, we weren't very excited because it was feeling very cheap and it wasn't very good. This one is quite cheap. I got it on Amazon flash sale and I think it was about £120 on the flash sale. The normal price is about 160, but I'll add a link down there in the description so you can take a look yourself. Okay. Thanks. Building a great phone is hard enough, so building a great phone on a budget should be infinitely more difficult. Yeah. Giveaway! Nice! We're going to try this later. Ooh. Okay, so when I tried to get out the phone, everything fell off from the box. Oh! Nice, that looks good and feels good, but let's take a look at the other stuff first. Link to the world. So that's the paperwork and the pin for the SIM card and the TF cards. Have this power brick which looks much like Samsung power brick, but it's not, it's Umi. What's that? USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Super short cable, but okay, it's a budget phone after all. And there's the charging cable, which is again USB Type-C. Very tightly packed for some reason. I cannot get it out. So you need to destroy the packaging to get the cable out. It's a good length, I must say. I remember the Nokia Lumia 520, I think, was coming with a charging cable which was that long. So yeah, this one's good. No headphones. Okay, let's take a look at the phone. It comes with a screen protector, with a case, sorry. And the case is quite good, it's not slippery. And stays well in hand, feels very good in hand. It is heavy, this device. Now, this thing here, the camera setup, looks like Huawei, I think, with their latest P40 Pro. Their setup looks like this. And also, I think the Samsung S20 looks like this. Fingerprint sensor on the back, which is where I prefer it because it's easier, at least for me. Android 10. I don't know what, let's take this. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, so let's take the case off. Let's find out how to take the case off first. Oh, okay. This phone looks beautiful. I like the colors, I like the camera setup. Oh, that's the thing here. So we have some info. We have 5 megapixel I'm not sure what that symbol means. 48 megapixel and flashlight and 13 megapixel wide angle plus 5 megapixel micro camera. That's good. Volume up, volume down. Power button, and here are the card's watts. Apparently, though, you can see here, or if my camera decided to focus, right here, it looks like there is a little scratch. Yeah. I'm quite unlucky with Amazon lately, and almost everything I'm ordering is looks used. Pre-installed screen protector, that's great. Fingerprints on the top of the phone, which is not that great. So we'll have a word with the seller. Even without a case, lays pretty good in the hand. Oh, more marks of use. What's happening here? I know it's a budget phone, but at least I expect it to be new. That's in the paint, some issue there. Anyway, lays down well in the hand. It feels comfortable. It's not slippery. So let's power it on. Front camera is here. I forgot to mention this in the corner. You can see my Samsung and my beard and the reflection. Oh, another? What's that thing now? Okay, there are quite a lot of things that are not quite right with this phone, and that's only the opening video. United States, English United States. Can we have normal English, not simplified one? Obviously not. Okay. Start. Skip. We're not going to do this now. We're not going to do this now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I want to skip it. Battery is on 59%. No, it's not. It's on 95%. Yeah, yes, and diagnostic data. We agree to all this. Can we just skip this and take a look at the phone? Good. Fast. Let's take a look in the settings. Notification straight away. Another notification straight away. What's that? Screencast. That's cool. I have it right there. Useful. Battery saver. Super screenshot. Screen record. That was very important for me when I was choosing my older phones, because I needed the phone to be able to record only the media sound, not to pick sound from the microphone. So I'm not sure in this case what it's going to record. We're going to find out, but anyway, it's good to have this option there. Now let's go back to the settings. We would like to see about the phone. So it offers wireless update, legal information, ROM and RAM, accurate. You can see the IMEI and all other stuff. Where is the Android version though? System. It's not here. It's probably right in front of my eyes, but I can't see it. Let's see. System. Keyboard feels nice. Storage system, license, system update, system UI. All these things. I can't seem to find it. New phone, you know. Most of the things are on different places. Wireless update. Current Umidigi Power 3 and something else. Oh, you can shake to check. You can see here, which is quite handy. Good. I think we should stop here because this is just a box opening video and first impressions, and honestly, I'm quite impressed, apart from the little things that are showing that the device is not new. It's heavy, feels good, the sound from the notifications is good, it's fast, and so far I like it. Let me know in the comments, guys, what tests would you like to see with this device? Do you have one, and would you consider buying one? And any other questions, as usual, just add them in the comments and we'll be more than happy to answer them if we can. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.